metabolic hormone actually reverses the core pathology of Parkinson's disease. A brand new study just revealed that overexpressing FGF21 creates a massive neuroprotective shield. Published by Liu and Wei, this study shows that FGF21 activates the FGFR31 pathway, launching a multi-layered rescue mission inside the substantia nigra. First, it completely repairs the blood-brain barrier by upregulating tight junction proteins. Second, it fixes mitochondrial dynamics. It promotes survival fusion via OPA1, has toxic fusion by DRIP1, and boosts pink1-parking mitophagy to clear out cellular trash. The most striking finding, it crushes neuroinflammation by shifting microglia from the destructive pro-inflammatory M1 state to the healing M2 phenotype. The result is restored motor function and protected dopamine neurons. Is the metabolic neural axis the feature of neuroprotection? Let me know your thought in the comment and check the description for the paper.